Hello there, I'm Duncan Warnock from Tax Accountants. I'm just going to do a short video to show you how you can navigate to the area of Intuit QuickBooks Online where you can customize the layout of the invoices you send your customers. Let's begin. We are now displaying the home screen, but to get to the relevant settings to customize our invoices, we need to click on the cogwheel in the top right hand corner. We then select Custom Form Styles, which displays any existing templates we have in place. On this occasion, we want to create a new style, so we will click on the top right hand corner New Style button. We're now given 5 different menu options to further customize our invoice template. First of all, it's worth noting we can customize an invoice, a quote, or a sales receipt document. Let's look at style. We have different options which, by selecting them, we can essentially change the cosmetics of the invoice. As you can see, I'm clicking on different options and the formatting is quite different. On this occasion, we're going to select Airy. Next option is to look at the appearance of the invoice. We have options to do with logo. We can make the logo small, medium, or large. We can zoom in or out, and we can also determine which positioning of the logo should take place in terms of left, center, right, or none. Further to that, there are some margin settings and some font size settings, plus some other generic settings as well. Let's move along to the header. The header lets us define which invoice fields will appear on the invoice. It's quite common to obviously have details of our business, such as name and address, but some of the other information, such as a website or other relevant info, can vary from customer to customer. We then have the activity table, which is the central part of the invoice and governs things like quantity, rate, tax and amount, and we can turn those on and off and also affect the size as well and the order in which they're displayed. Finally, there's the footer settings, which lets us put in some extra messages as a default on our invoices to the customer. This may include our bank account details for payment, or perhaps asking them to reference our invoice number when making payments. On this occasion, we will select Happy New Year. When you're comfortable with the settings, you can then save the template by clicking Save. But then prior to use, I recommend you trial the invoice layout just to make sure everything is positioned accordingly and that you're happy with it before sending it to the customer. So to click the template saving option, let's click Save in the bottom right hand corner. We enter a title for the template, call this template 01, and we'll click Save. That's it for now. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.